Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 2 of class 8 subject English 1, chapter number 2 T Tsunami. On page 27, comprehensive check, true and false. First is true, second false, third false, fourth true, fifth true. Next we have the comprehensive check. The questions are given. The answers for these questions are: Tilly's family had come to Thailand to celebrate Christmas. I'm dictating the answers you are going to write in your notebooks. Okay. Both saw the seas rise and it started to form and from whirlpools. Third one, no, Tilly's mother was not alarmed by them. Fourth, Tilly had seen the strange sea behavior in a video. Fifth, they went to the third floor of the hotel and were saved. Sixth, she felt very pleased and satisfied. Now, on page number 30, the questions we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so the answers are: first one, very few animals died, 60 visitors and 2 animals. Third, people say that the elephants ran from the beach an hour before the tsunami hit the coast. Fourth one, the dog in Delhi refused to go to the beach for their daily exercise. Now working with text, answer number 1, no, Igneous did not think about the tsunami. He thought that it was just an earthquake, so he took the television off the table and put it on the ground. His family did not have time to discuss and plan their course of action. The following sentence tell us about the chose and confession. Two of his children catch hold of the hand on their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. Answer number 2, brave, heroic, selfish. Then words used from the list to complete 3 sentences. First one is ambitious or blush, heroic and selfish, careless or humorous. Then the answer number 3, Meghna and Almaz both were lucky. Meghna was carried away with her parents and other people, but she alone survived. She was washed ashore by a wave. Almaz climbed on to a log of wood. When she opened her eyes, she found herself in a hospital in Kamroto. Now, fourth one, answer. Tilly foresaw the danger of tsunami at once. She began hysterical. Her parents didn't ignore her. They were sure that something wrong must be going to happen, so they all left the beach and were saved. If I were in place of Tilly's parent, I might not have believed her. I might have scolded her for making a nonsense situation. Answer number 5, it is very obvious Tilly's award should be shared with her geography teacher. Her parents could not guess that a tsunami was coming. Answer number 6, very few animals were killed in the tsunami. Perhaps they feel the tremor much before humans do. Secondly, the animals have sixth sense. They can guess the coming disaster and so run away to safer places or higher ground. The idea that the animals are gifted with the sixth sense is more believable. They move fast to get over the crisis. Now working with text, question number 1. Okay, you are going to make the table fast movement. In that you are going to write fall once, rushed 3 times, swept away 3 times, washed away once. Then in the middle part you will write rising, recede. Then last column, neither slow nor fast, floating. There are more words in column A. These are related to fast movement of escape from the tsunami. It was natural for man and animals to make fast movements in situation. The waves also overtook some people very fast and washed them away. Next is fill in the blanks. First one is tremor, confusion, relief, rescue, excitement. Now third one, it is just the compare of the both. Okay, now next we have Say whether the following statements are the active or passive voice. First one is active, second is passive, third is active, fourth is passive, fifth is active, and sixth is active. Now speaking and writing. So answer for first one is: the killer T tsunami struck these islands 5 days ago, but the victims are being brought in even now. Each one has a story to tell. Their stories are here rising as well as heartening or inspiring. Many were determined to start a new life. They don't want to stay in the camp for long. They feel small because living on charity was disgraceful. Most of them want to return to their cottages, which are no more there, and to get a finishing boat to earn their livelihood. One woman, though old, recalled how she had saved a child from drowning. Now, first one we have done. So children, you are going to complete this chapter number 2, Teeth Tsunami, in your notebook. The question and answers of this chapter, all the question answers you are going to complete in your notebook. Thank you.